Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Serum DEX alternatives routing in Phantom, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Phantom wallet on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the Phantom wallet installed. Once the wallet is open, navigate to the DEX section. Here, you will find various options for trading and swapping tokens. Locate the Serum DEX alternatives listed within the DEX section. Select the DEX alternative you wish to customize the routing for. Proceed to click on the Settings or Options menu of the chosen DEX alternative. Look for the Routing Settings tab in the menu. In the Routing Settings, you will see existing routes displayed. To update the routes, click on the Edit option next to the current routing path. Review the available liquidity pools presented in the interface. Select the desired liquidity pools that you want to include in your updated routing. You might want to consider factors like the best price and lowest fees. After selecting the pools, confirm your choices in the routing settings. Once you confirm, the new routing paths will be saved automatically. You can now perform trades using the updated routing. Return to the main DEX screen to see the changes reflected. Perform a test swap to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the routing settings to make further adjustments. Keep in mind that the available pools may change frequently. Regularly check back to optimize your routing strategy for better results. That concludes the process for updating Serum DEX alternatives routing in Phantom. You are now equipped to enhance your trading experience using custom routing paths. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.